Assalamu alaikum everybody. This is sajedulislamsobuj once again. This is beautiful environment. I am walking on the street and there are different kinds of things to see around me. For example, there are a lot of paddy fields on the right side of me, on the left side of me, and behind me there is a big pond. The road is so clean. Water is falling from the sky and I'm walking in this situation. You know, it is raining continuously. That is why I am carrying this umbrella. And this umbrella is really beautiful umbrella. And there is another road